I'm recording for you a short summary of our beginners solo samba routine number 3. So I taught this in the dance studio on Tuesday the 26th of October 2021. So it was a live class, in-person class, but a little short summary, and we're calling this solo samba routine number 3. So if you are looking back through the playlist, you haven't done the samba before, look for routine 1 and 2. That'll give you a little bit more practice as well. So we started with a little on-the-spot bounce, then we had our basic forwards and back, then we had left and right, then we had some little slow walks back, that's our batucada step, and then we had voltas, slow and fast, whisks, and the botafogos. So I'm not going to break every single step down because I did all of that in the class. So if you have missed that, don't worry, there are some more 1 hour full length classes coming up. They'll be online over the next couple of months. But this is a short summary, so here we go. Okay, I'm just stepping away from the camera just so that you can see the feet. So we started with a small bounce on the spot. And because it was a beginner session, we were practicing the pumping of the rib cage out. And I said to everyone, if you want to put the hands out to the side just to practice that, that's fine. You don't need to leave them there. Once you know what you're doing, you can take a little bit more of a dancer's pose. But it was a bounce for the count of 8. And then we moved on. We took a right foot lead. So I stepped forwards, teeth, tongue, back. Teeth, tongue, forwards, teeth, tongue, back, teeth, tongue. So 4 of those. We then took it to the side, right, teeth, tongue, left, teeth, tongue, right, teeth, tongue, left, teeth, tongue. We then took a backward step. Okay, so I'm going to go back on my right and I cross it behind and lift up the front heel. I'm going to do one more and then I'll come across the screen so you can see. There. Okay? Notice I'm straightening the leg and the hip is going back. I'm actually going to do this backwards across your screen so you can see. There. There. And I'm angling the hip out to the corners. Trying to keep the head and shoulders facing forwards. And it's the lower half of the body that's rotating. Straight leg, front heel up. Here. Here. And we're doing these on slow counts. In another lesson, we're going to do the faster version. Okay, so that's coming backwards. We'll do 4 of those. So let's put that all together. We've got a little bounce. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And forwards and back. Forwards and back. And side and side and side and side. Walk, 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 walk. The walks will actually be for 2 counts. That's why they're slow, as opposed to 1 count. Okay? Now, little crosses over to the side, voltas. Drop, push, drop, push, drop, push, drop. Cross the left foot in front, push, drop, push, drop, push, drop, and so on. So, front leg down, we're going the opposite way to where the front leg is. So when the right leg's in front, I'm travelling left. When the left leg's in front, I'm travelling right. 2 slow, 4 quick. It looks like this. Slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Slow, and quick, 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 quick. You notice that on the quicker ones, we're slightly smaller steps. And on the larger ones, you can take a slower step, okay? So that was our travelling voltas. Now, once we've got each way on there, whisk to the side. Right foot, and change. Left foot, and change. Notice the footwork, ball, heel, ball, ball, heel. Push, and there, whisk to the side. Now, if you feel confident with the arms, you can put one on the hip, one out to the side. Optional. Get the feet first. We're doing 4 of those. Now, once we've finished that, botafogo crosses. Big cross, step out, lift and replace. Big cross, lift, replace. 1, 2, 1, and 2. 1. Up, 2, 1 and 2. Arms, optional. I said you might want to take one up, one out, L shape, any direction. You might want to take one up and one in front. You might just want to do one, you might want to do 0 arms, entirely up to you. So let's do this second section from the Volters. So I'm going to go slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Whisk, 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 whisk. Photo-photos, 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 photo-photos.